finally see some snow.
Some snow for some of us, but also a few of us will be expecting a lot of rain. So here's what we got going on in terms of our warnings and advisories and feeding that potential for fog development as well as snow development, but not in the Twin Cities, up towards our north and west. And we are waking up to a cold start. 22 is what we're kicking off today with. Wind chill at 16 degrees. Winds over west-northwest only at 5 miles an hour, but just a little bit of wind could put quite a bit of a bite into our temperatures this time of the year. Over the next 24 hours, big changes in our forecast, talking rain and snow coming up.
It was a hold on to your hat kind of day.
Man, it was a windy day, and a good thing I took my dog for a walk today, and it's a good thing she weighs 100 pounds because
She would have blown right away.
she would have blown right away.
She was a corgi.
She was a corgi. She'd be gone. It's been a windy forecast today, but at least we are eliminating a big component from yesterday's forecast, the rain.
Do you have a go-to like
yes.
Thanksgiving meal that you bring, or you always that must be at the table?
Beer.
Oh,
I am the person
Good
that
job.
always brings the beer, the wine. That is me. It's easy. You know what's really fun? When we get 2 seasons within like 3 days.
Oh, God.
It's so much fun.
We kind of had that last week. We had like 3
did.
seasons in 3 days.
And wasn't that fun?
Well,
BC was like,
Monday was when it got up to 82
Oh,
degrees.
yeah, you
that
like
was
that.
fun. Yeah.
Yeah. Last week was a bit of a roller coaster, and we didn't get off the roller coaster ride. We're staying on, so buckle up because today and yesterday in the 70s. Tomorrow we're going to continue these warm temperature trends along with the wind. But 71 for our daytime high in the Twin Cities, 72 in Red Wing, 68 in Hibbing, 73 in Morris. On Saturday, these numbers will be reading the 30s, believe it or not. Yeah, so we got quite a bit of weather to discuss on this Tuesday evening. Storm vision showing us that we're staying sunny, completely dry, nothing in our way, minus the wind gusting up to 30 to even 35 miles an hour in some areas. But here's a look at the big picture. High pressure system over the Midwest. That's keeping things dry, comfortable for us, warm as well. But off towards our west, this low pressure system in Montana, that's the culprit. That's the reason why temperatures are going to be taking a nosedive into the weekend. And it's because of this cold front off towards our north and west. This will eventually be joining us as soon as Thursday and even into Friday, not only ushering in cold air, but even bringing in winter-like conditions for our friends over towards the west. So a winter storm watch in the big white color that includes parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, majority of North Dakota, and even northwest Minnesota. But this is more for travel purposes versus how much snow we can be expecting. But again, that's all staying over towards our west-northwest. Temperatures right now, 66 in Red Wing, 64 in Hibbing, 68 in Wilmer. Marshall, hello, you're at 70 still on this Tuesday evening, 67 in Eau Claire. Winds of our south-southeast right now, gusting up still up to 30 miles an hour in Alexandria. In the Twin Cities, 23-mile-per-hour wind gust. In Duluth, 29-mile-per-hour wind gust. It is a beauty of a sunset right now for this Tuesday. 69 at our current temperature. Dew point at 40 degrees. Winds of our south at 13, gusting up to 23. So those winds out of the south, that's what's allowing our temperatures to climb. And we do have those high-level clouds, and that's nice because that's allowing for the colors to skew across the skyline for this Tuesday evening, giving us the red, the orange, the yellow, the purple. So beautiful sunset. Taking you through the next 24 hours. Overnight tonight, a few clouds here and there, 52 for an overnight low. By tomorrow afternoon, windy, warm, staying sunny, but clouds increasing towards the evening, reaching a daytime high of 69. And then by tomorrow evening, we could be picking up a few showers here and there, 58 for your temperature by tomorrow around 8, 9 p.m. Futurecast showing us staying dry for the rest of tonight and into the overnight. Next chance of rain, again, by late tomorrow evening and moving into Thursday morning. Here's your 7-day forecast. Okay. Stay with me on this one. It's a bit of a doozy. 69 tomorrow, 61 by Thursday. Thursday is going to be the transition day where that cold front moves through, dropping our temperatures by Friday, 44 for a high. Saturday, a daytime high temperature of 38 degrees. Wow. And it's going to be windy as well. So Gopher game. Wow, you're going to have to bundle up. It's dark outside, it's gloomy outside, it's rainy, chilly, windy. It's Monday, so it's what we expect for Mondays, right? Storm system is currently over Colorado, and it's bringing in all that moisture On top of that, a little bit of that warm air. So Tim, some of us will be staying with all snow. Some of us will be in just rain. Some of us in rain, sleet, and snow. We'll break all that down coming up in just a bit. We intercepted that tornado-warned storm. It's something that the National Weather Service will have to go back and check out tomorrow. Now, that occurred at about 6:20. I anticipate that this watch will eventually be extended over towards the east to the south of 94 as we progress throughout the rest of tonight as these storms unfold. It looks like they're continuing to show signs of staying strong and even severe at times. However, there are no severe storms right now. Those tornadoes get a lot of the headlines, damaging winds not so much. So treat this severe thunderstorm warning very seriously on the Wisconsin side, the Twin Cities Metro. This is something we'll be keeping a close eye on. Sarah, coming up, we'll take a look at the timing of the storms, when they reach us, and how long they stay with us over the weekend. 35 miles an hour right now. That's leading to whiteout conditions, snow-covered roads, low visibilities, along with significant drifting. Here are just a few of the snow totals. And on Twitter, I've had some reports from viewers. Jalen, 9.5 inches from Belle Plaine.